Yo, what's up? Welcome back everybody to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Henschel. I'm a professional dancer, and that's what I do, is I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today you're going to be learning the Fortnite Crazy Boy emote, and it might look easy because there's only two moves that kind of just repeat, but it's actually kind of complicated, not just because of the speed, but there's a timing change as well with the little hand tutting situation, but we'll get more into that later, okay? For right now, guys, go ahead and like this video, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know every time I go live or a new video is posted, and join me on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop dance from home class that's 3 days a week at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. Check the schedule on my Twitch channel for that. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Okay, you guys ready to do this emote? Let's hit it. Alright you guys, so let's do this. Here's the Crazy Boy Fortnite emote. I'm gonna face the back again, kind of like as I normally do, and I'll, face the front every once in a while to kind of show you guys. But essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your left hand over your right hand like this. So just make a fist with your right hand, put your left hand over, keep it kind of by your stomach. Now, you're gonna start walking on a 2, okay? And because when you do your little turnaround at the end, it takes 2 counts, it's 8-1, and then you start walking on 2. So it'll make sense once you do it with the music, but it kind of goes like this, okay? So just bend your knees, you're low, you're gonna go like this. You're gonna go left, stand up, left, go down, left, go up. That's how many steps you take just with the walk. Now I'm gonna do the shoulders here in a second, but for now, just kind of keep those hands like this. And if I reverse the feet for you, it goes like this, okay? Bend those knees, you're gonna go step up, step down, step up, just like that. It's a little bit of a bend. Think of it as a groove. It's not a real big deal. But every single time you step with your right leg, that's when you either go up or down like this. Left, right, right, and boom. Now before we get to that part, you have a little shoulder action here as you walk. So hands are here like this, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna kind of roll your shoulders. So it's gonna go roll this way, roll this way. Almost think of taking these hands, and I'll reverse it again. So I'll reverse it for you. So I'm mirroring you like this, okay? You just wanna think of like basically making little circles with it, yeah? And that's all it is. You just keep your hands here, shoulders are going, and you just make little circles with your hand. You just don't want to be making big circles, okay? Like you're rubbing the tummy. You want to just keep the shoulders going. So it's more of a group step, so just do it like this. 6, 7, 8. You're going left, right, and step. If I face this way and go so you can see the shoulders again, we're going like this. Boom, 2, boom, hit, and step. Now I'm gonna do this step facing the back first, kind of like if we were at a real studio and you would be behind me dancing. And then I'll turn around and I'll face the camera so you can see it as well. So we're just gonna do the feet first, okay? Get the feet down because that's gonna be the easy part. So these feet go and step, 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 out, step, step, out, step, step, out, step, step, out. And then you're gonna turn and begin again from the beginning, okay? This is called a pas de bourrée. So in dance, we have certain terminologies for steps. A pas de bourrée is just 3 steps. It could be 1, 2, 3. It could be 1, 2, 3. It can be a myriad of things. This is gonna be a cross pas de bourrée step, so it goes like this. And step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step. So you can just do that 100 times, pause the video, rewind, and just keep doing those steps. But as long as you're counting 3, you're gonna be good to go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then from here, just kind of put the legs together, turn, and start from the beginning, okay? Now let's get these tutting hands to go along with it. This is where the more complicated part comes in, because the feet are super fast, right? Plus, these hands, they have different timings. This is what it's gonna look like. So you go like this. You go and push, step, step, push, step, step, push, step, step, push, step, step, push, step, push, step, push, step, and turn together. If that wasn't confusing, I know. This emote looks like it's really easy, but it's actually quite complicated. Let me show you these hands as you push, okay? So the first one you're gonna do is gonna go this way. Is that right? Yeah. So your hands are gonna go to the left first, okay? So what you're gonna do, put your hands like this and push and then break your wrists. So you have to think of this hand pushing this one. Then now think of this hand pushing the other one. Now we're gonna go up, so you're gonna push it this way. Then you're gonna push it this way. Now you're gonna go back down to the corner. Corner, now go back up to the corner. Here, now go to the side, good. And then you're gonna end up doing a punch, cross, turn around. You have 4 hand tucks that basically hit each corner. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So if you just do that a couple of times, you've already knocked out half of it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the next 3 are gonna change. So we're gonna go down to the corner, then you're gonna go up, then you're gonna switch. If I face it this way, it looks like this with the feet. You're going and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and hit. And then punch, woo. And that punch is just gonna go across like this. Think about doing a hook punch, yeah? You just kind of hook punch and bring your hands back to that same position to start again, okay? So let's put all that together from the top. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step, boom, boom, step, boom, hit, and punch together. So let's talk about the hands and the feet together real quick. When you do this, you're going switch, and this goes boom, boom, switch. So every time you step out, you're switching. Boom, boom, switch, boom, boom, switch. Here it's gonna change. So once you're here, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go ball, change, here, ball, change, here, then punch, and together. So that's the hard part, is that you're changing your rhythm of when your hands switch. So let me break that down one more time, just so you can kind of get it, and then we'll try it with the music, of course. So stepping out, you're gonna go step, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and turn, hit. Woo! Now, do that at full speed, and it makes a pretty complicated emote. Try it from the top. Let's put everything together, shall we? 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, da, da, switch, da, da, switch, da, switch, da, da, switch, da, switch, da, da, switch, da, punch, together. Ooh, you heard that nice squeak from my shoe? That is how you break down the Crazy Boy emote, and it is crazy, okay? Let's go ahead, let's put on the music, let's do this with a skin. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, way to go! You guys did it. That is the Crazy Boy emote. I'm thinking about doing the Fortnite Pop Lock emote next. So if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. It's an older emote. I think it came out a couple of years ago. But if you want to see something else, comment down below and let me know. I will put that on the list and we will make it happen. So have a great rest of your week, guys. I'll see you on the live streams. Peace out.